Feiyu AK2000C. How to shoot track time-lapse. Track time-lapse function on Feiyu AK2000C means the gimbal rotates accordingly to the specified track at the specified time, an auto-control camera to take pictures during rotation, and those pictures compose a final track time-lapse video. Swipe the screen to left. Tap Auto Rotation. Tap Time Setting. The menu including Pan. Pan refers to the time it takes for the pan axis to rotate from the start position to the end position. Tilt. Tilt refers to the time it takes for the tilt axis to rotate from the start position to the end position. Interval. Interval refers to the time between the camera take two photos. Dwell. Dwell refers to the staying time of the gimbal after sending a photographing command for long exposure. Note, the pan rotation time divided by the tilt time must be longer than the interval time and the dwell time. The interval time must be longer than the dwell time. Move the joystick to adjust a suitable pan rotation time. Tilt rotation time, interval time, and dwell time. Swipe the screen to the right to quit. Tap Route Setting. Move the gimbal to the start position. Tap OK. Move the gimbal again to the end position. Tap OK. The gimbal starts to shoot automatically along the route you set. Tap to quit after shooting completed. Gimbal recenter.